Welcome back now to Primetime Sports. Friday, we run off with horse racing as 1000 Guineas heroine Above and Beyond is a 4-5 anti-post favourite for the third classic of the 2020 local racing season, the 61st running of the Jamaica Oaks over 10 furlongs at Caymanas Park tomorrow. Here's Spencer Darlington with our preview.
Having landed the 1,000 Guineas impressively by 6 1/4 lengths on July 25, the top native-bred 3-year-old filly in training at the moment, Above and Beyond, looks set to topple her 9 rivals in Saturday's $2.5 million contest. Three-time former champion jockey Dane Nelson will once again have the leg up on the chestnut filly, who has been prepared well by champion trainer Anthony Baba Nunes for this assignment. None of the contestants have gone longer than a mile, but Above and Beyond, who has never been beaten by another filly in any of her 4 career losses, is expected to comfortably get the additional 2 furlongs on the Guinness distance. Above and Beyond will start from post position 9 in the 10-horse field. Nunes will also send out Sen City with Dick Cardenas and Glock the mount of Philip Parchment. Nunes assesses the chances of his trio.
She's worked her usual self. Sen City has certainly improved. She ran third in the Guineas, and she's going to run a very good race. She certainly stays a trip. She stays forever, and she's been working really well in the mornings with Above and Beyond, and she has shown marked improvement. Glock showed the other day that she's doing well as well. She won nicely in her prep run, although that was 5 rounds and this is 10 furlongs. I think 10 furlongs might be a bit of a reach for her, but she is a talented 3-year-old filly, and I think she will certainly hit the board.
1,000 Guineas runner-up, another affair to be partnered once again by the informed Robert Halladine for trainer Gary Sabrati, has been moving steadily at exercise and should love what is expected to be a more relaxed pace on Saturday. The tricky number 1 post position should not pose a challenge on this occasion though, as there will be enough time for her to get out of any early traffic problems and settle. Trainer Sabrati weighs up her chances.
Above and Beyond, she has done what she has done and she has beaten us. Going 2-turn, let's see, because I think my horse will enjoy 2-turn. Let's see how the race starts out and see how it finishes.
The other fancied runners in the lineup are the improving Shapanza with a 6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker at 9-5 in the overnight odds, and Sen City, the mount of Dick Cardenas, at 9-2. 7 of the 10 runners contested the July 25 1,000 Guineas. The event is set for 4:45 p.m. Meanwhile, 8 of the 10 races on Saturday's card have been named in honor of females who have or had been involved in an area of the local racing industry. The 8th event, a restricted allowance 5 contest for native-bred 5-year-olds and up over 6.5 furlongs, has been named after RJR Gleaner Group sports reporter Denise Walters. First post for the 10-race card is 12:05 p.m. with live coverage of all races on Power 106 FM. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.